At Florida Mid-South Realty, we bring family values, professional service, and local expertise to every real estate experience. With small town feel and a personal touch, we're here to help you find the right home or sell with ease. And don't miss the Florida Rockstars, our live podcast every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Florida Rockstars, rocking real estate news and all things local. Florida Mid-South Realty, your trusted hometown team.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
Plenty of sunshine and quiet conditions across the Tennessee Valley on this Tuesday. A few more high thin cirrus clouds upstream from us, but nothing of consequence from that. Those will generally stay near and south of us over the next 24 hours. Just a few clouds. Have plenty of sunshine for the next couple days ahead, which means comfortable temperatures. We were 73 this afternoon at the Lawrenceburg Airport after morning low of 45. Muscle Shoals Airport, Northwest Alabama, 78 this afternoon after morning low of 45 degrees. Here's your breakdown for tonight. Mostly clear skies out there. Seasonably cool, lower 40s across southern middle Tennessee, mid 40s across northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. Plenty of sunshine here and a light northwesterly wind keeps us into the upper 60s across southern middle Tennessee and then lower 70s across northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi for your Wednesday ahead. Similar conditions, maybe a degree or two warmer for our Thursday. Clouds increasing, I think, about 6 hours slower than what you see here on Futurecast. I think it waits until near sunset or after before we become mostly cloudy. So another mostly sunny day for the daytime hours of Thursday. Mostly cloudy on Friday, however. Still warm, though, with a breezy south wind. There may be a stray shower or two, but no big rain chances on the board for Friday. Better scattered shower chances on Saturday, but even here, not an all-day washout. And then we'll watch Sunday. We have a bigger weather system coming out of the plains. I think a large part of the daytime hours are quiet, although there could be an afternoon thunder shower. It's the evening and the overnight when we'll be watching for a better chance of strong thunderstorms. We'll have the jet stream coming out of the plains in a southwesterly direction here, low pressure tracking across Missouri. In the low levels, southerly winds coming up from the Gulf, bringing muggy, unstable air northward, and you do see that change in the wind direction from the lower level winds to the upper level jet stream. So all of those are basic ingredients on the board that do support strong to severe thunderstorms. And we will have to watch for some potential for strong to severe thunderstorms Sunday evening and overnight. A lot of big questions, though. I do think we're going to have the instability, the moisture, the storm fuel necessary. However, the strength of the wind fields that determine whether storms rotate or not, that's a big question mark. So we can't hype this up as a big tornado threat because we just don't know yet. We're not in the game of trying to scare you days ahead of time, that kind of thing. This is just a tap on the shoulder to let you know, hey, there could be some strong thunderstorms Sunday evening and overnight. We do have pretty good confidence in some level of threat, but we can't give you exact details on the seriousness of the threat yet. Which threat types are more likely than the others, that type of thing. There could be some degree of tornado threat with this. Otherwise, it may end up being more of a wind and hail situation. We'll be watching that carefully. We'll update those details over the next few days as we get things into the higher resolution model data. Just go through your safety plans. Be aware, and everything will be just fine. In the 70s here for the next several days, lower 70s for Wednesday and Thursday, mid to upper 70s Friday, Saturday, and knocking on the door of 80 degrees, and some of us into the lower 80s as we head into Sunday afternoon. Slightly cooler back to the upper 60s, lower 70s behind that system going into early next week. Your forecast for tonight, mostly clear skies out there, dropping out of the 70s and the 60s going through the evening into the 50s for the overnight. Low to mid 40s for morning lows toward daybreak. Plenty of sunshine for your Wednesday and your Thursday. Clouds really increasing on Friday, however, but limited sunshine still there. A stray shower possible. Notice the daytime highs going up closer to the weekend. We'll be knocking on the door of 80 degrees by Sunday afternoon. A chance of a few scattered showers Saturday. Better thunderstorm chances come Sunday evening and overnight. We'll watch for some of those to possibly be strong to severe, clearing and slightly cooler for the start of next week. That's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.